Hello all, I hope all is good. Welcome to Let's Turkish channel. First of all, let me thank all the members who are encouraging us. We really appreciate your support. So in this video, we will be carrying on the previous lesson, which was about the first part of the verb to be. Let me just summarize the previous. So we have learned how to form the verb to be in singular and plural, and which are the cases in which we use the suffix dir to generalize and also to talk about facts in Turkish. And we gave also examples in order to illustrate. I will be tagging also the link of the previous lesson on the top to make it easy for you to access directly to the previous lesson. I have also given you the QR codes of our Facebook group and for our channel in order to access directly to both. So in this lesson, in today's lesson, we will carry with at first the non-verbal predicate to be. Let me give you examples before explaining. The example I'm giving you is I am at the campus. I am at the campus. For all the friends who are wondering about the word order in Turkish, just click on the link on top of this video. So in Turkish we say kampüsteyim, kampüsteyim, kampüsteyim. So the campus is campus, it's the same word in Turkish also. At is te, and I am is yim, and ye is a buffer letter because two vowels in Turkish cannot be in front of each other. That's why we add the buffer letter ye. And for the lesson of the buffer letter, I will be giving you the link on top of this video too. Let's jump now to the second singular pronoun. You are at the campus. You are at the campus. It's the same thing, the same word order. Kampüste. Now the personal pronoun has changed, so sin for you are. Kampüstesin. Kampüstesin. She or he is at the campus. She or he is at the campus. Now we have two options. The first option is kampüste without any other suffix, kampüste, and we have kampüstedir. But the second option is not common in Turkey. So we just stay with the first option, which is common and daily and most, useful. Kampüste, kampüste. Now we head to the plural personal pronouns. So we are at the campus. Kampüsteyiz, kampüsteyiz. Here I have added the buffer letter ye between the e and i. And be careful here. And in all the lessons, I am pronouncing the alphabets in Turkish. Okay, so between the e and I, we added ye. Ye, which is the buffer letter, in order to avoid the two vowels to be next to each other. You are at the campus. You are at the campus. So here it's gonna be the same as the second singular personal pronoun. You are at the campus. So kampüstesin, and then you add is. Kampüstesiniz because it's in the plural. And also I wanted to mention that in Turkish is the same as in Spanish. You don't have to add the personal pronoun in order to form your sentence. So you're going to say kampüsteyim, kampüstesin, kampüste, kampüsteyiz, kampüstesiniz. Now we jump to the they are at the campus. So kampüste or kampüsteler. Kampüste or kampüsteler. I just wanted to make a reminder. Y is the buffer letter here. This is just a recall that in Turkish, two vowels do not come consecutively. There has to be a buffer letter between. Consequently, Y makes the word suitable for Turkish phonetics. And here I'm going to show you how to find the lesson of the Y, the buffer letter. So just go to our channel, Let's Turkish. And then to the playlist. Click on grammar and scroll down in order to find our lesson, which is the use of the buffer letter Y. The use of the buffer letter Y. For example, the word sürücü, sürücü, and with a vowel. Sürücü, which means driver, you're gonna say sürücüyüm, sürücüyüm, sürücüyüm. I am driver, sürücüyüm. Now let's learn how to form the negative form of the verb to be. For example, let's say I am not student. I am not student. I'm not student will be ben, I, öğrenci, student, değil is not, and this last suffix changes depending on the personal pronoun. So I am not a student, ben öğrenci değilim. You know also that the yumuşak G, the G in which you have an accent on the top is a yumuşak G, is the extension of the vowel before. And we have already studied that. Ben öğrenci değilim. Ben öğrenci değilim. Let's have an example for the third personal pronoun. He is not handsome. He is not handsome. O yakışıklı değil. O yakışıklı değil. Or simply you can say yakışıklı değil. Just avoid saying o and the other personal pronoun. Yakışıklı değil. O is he. Yakışıklı, handsome. Değil is the word not in English. As simple as pie. We are not ready. We are not ready. Biz hazır değiliz. Biz hazır değiliz. Biz is we are. Hazır, ready. Değil, not. And is for the personal pronoun suffix. Here we have all noticed that the word değil will be conjugated with the suffix depending on the personal pronoun. So let's have a look. We will say değilim, değilim for ben. Ben değilim, sen değilsin, o değil or değildir, değiliz, değilseniz, değildir or değiller. So guys, do not go away. Next lesson will be the past tense of the verb to be. Just not to skip the notifications, turn on the bell, subscribe, and if you like this lesson, just give us a thumbs up and comment if you have any question.